Okay, so I've got a BGAN 325. I've got an RDK 2. I've got a couple of XP8s, and I've got the Explorer 700. So I'm going to roof mount the BGAN Explorer 325 to the top of this vehicle. And then we're going to test this thing out with the RDK in the front seats. Okay, so I got the Explorer 325 mounted to the top of the vehicle here. The cable running down and into the controller. This is the Explorer controller for the 325. This is the power here. And I have that running down and into the DC outlet here in the vehicle. So now I'm going to hook up my LAN port here to the RDK and see if we can get some satellite coverage through the RDK. Alright, here's the RDK. Just opened it up, so I've got the charging cable here. I'm just going to put that aside. We've got a full battery. Put the cradle point antennas on the back ports, the cell ports, cell 1 and 2. And then in the front, you'll have the Wi-Fi antennas, Wi-Fi 1 and 2. So make sure those are on and secure and pointing upward. The phones will typically be stored in this storage location here. So we'll unscrew these, and there's our phones. Could be two, could be 4 phones. This case will hold 4 phones, and we go ahead and put them in the charger. And now we're ready to power it on. So we power it on simply by pushing the power button. So that'll go ahead and boot up. And essentially we're looking for, on the cellular modem screen here, we're looking for the run to light up. That means the cradle point router is on and up and running, and then the cell light will turn green once it has a cellular connection. The satellite, the red light, will turn red if there is no cellular service and you have the satellite connection hooked up. You'll hook the satellite connection into WAN port here on the far left. I'll go ahead and plug that in. Okay, so now I have the LAN port connected into the Satellite Explorer controller. That's running up into the WAN port here on the RDK. I've got it powered on, and now I'm waiting for some connectivity to happen.